am exactly where I need to be. I need to be exactly where I am. I am a blessing manifest. I can undress the moment, naked. Time unwinds beneath my mind, and from within I find the kind of beauty only I can find. I am exactly where I need to be. I need to be exactly where I am. I am not aimlessly exciting. I am not aimlessly existing. See, I am in perfect harmony with universal energy. And I am truly free when I accept my own divinity. To breathe made me exist. And if you want to get even deeper into this, when you look at me, you see a cloud. The cloud it took to form the storm, to shake the leaves, to inspire the lip lock. Yes, a raindrop will pop up. Out these words you heard me write. If you look at me close enough, you will see a dark, stormy night. And what is night without a polar opposite of sunlight? So if you watch the way my hands sway, you will see the light of day. And every day is a testament to the sediment of the earth's core. It's never spinning enormous force. So if you look at me just right, you will see a spark of the source. But the most fascinating thing about this, and it's true, is that if you look at me close enough, you see you. It's only you, what you perceive, how you believe the space between you and me. That creates reality. So when I sing, you can feel it. When I cry, you can heal it. When I speak words, you can be the words I speak by singing with me. Peace, love, free. And when I'm alone and full of fear, I just remember the rising sun always appears. Everyday miracles that I see, well, they take me back to exactly where I need to be. Song called Exactly, author Amy Steinberg. Let's begin today's meditation with sitting in a cross-legged position on the ground, on the mat, or on your bed. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale, let it go. Inhale yourself to the present moment. Become aware and let yourself melt into this moment. Nothing to think about, only you and this quiet place. Allow yourself to sink deeper inward. Inhale and a gentle long exhale out. See your thoughts as clouds in the sky. Let them be. And now slowly introducing our mantra. I am exactly where I need to be. I am exactly where I need to be. I am exactly where I need to be. And now, repeating this mantra silently in your mind until you hear my voice again. Slowly bring your awareness back to this present moment. Take an inhale, exhale out. Inhale yourself to where you are right now. Start moving your fingers, your head, and waking up your body. Saying it out loud one more time. I am exactly where I need to be. Take a deep inhale, reach the arms up to the sky, and exhale, bring the palms to your heart. Thank you for being here with me today. I wish you a beautiful, lovely rest of the day. Love and light. Namaste.